Maine's Secretary of State seeks speedy ruling in Trump's 14th Amendment dispute. Before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Maine Secretary of State Shenna Bellows has taken the decisive step of filing a formal petition with the state's highest court of appeals. The motion seeks a review of the recent decision to exclude former President Donald Trump from the Maine Republican primary, ABC News reported on Saturday, January 20, 2024. This decision is based on the application of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which is central to evaluating former President Trump's eligibility to participate in state primaries. Invoking Section 3 of the 14th Amendment adds constitutional complexity to the election process. This article was adopted after the Civil War and deals with the issue of disqualification for those who participate in rebellion or insurrection against the United States. Bellows' decision to cite this constitutional provision in connection with Mr. Trump's candidacy raises serious questions about the intersection of constitutional principles and the electoral process. At the heart of this issue is the anticipation of a U.S. Supreme Court ruling on a similar 14th Amendment case in Colorado, which could affect former President Trump's voting eligibility not only in Maine but more broadly. The legal situation surrounding former President Trump's involvement in the election process is dominated by debate over the interpretation and application of constitutional provisions, centering on the 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution. The timing of Bellows' request is strategic and signals the U.S. Supreme Court's proactive approach to seeking legal clarity before ruling in the Colorado case. This foresight underscores the importance of addressing the constitutional issues surrounding Trump's candidacy in a timely and comprehensive manner. As litigation continues, we cannot ignore the far-reaching implications of invoking Section 3 of the 14th Amendment in the electoral arena. The framers of the 14th Amendment responded to the aftermath of the Civil War and sought to ensure that those who actively participated in the rebellion against the Union were barred from holding certain offices. Applying this provision to the qualifications of former presidents in primaries represents a novel and consistent application of constitutional principles. Maine's Republican Party already attracts attention from high-profile candidates. The primary election now finds itself at the crossroads of the Constitution. The outcome of these legal maneuvers could set a precedent and influence the interpretation of constitutional provisions in future electoral disputes. It's a delicate dance between states' power to regulate the electoral process and the broader constitutional principles that shape the contours of American democracy. The decision to exclude former presidents from primaries is inherently provocative and has sparked debate about the limits of constitutional exclusion and the potential impact on political representation. The legal battle unfolding before Maine's Supreme Court of Appeals is likely to delve into the nuances of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment and evaluate its applicability to a post-presidential scenario. For Secretary Bellows, navigating this legal territory requires a delicate balance between preserving the integrity of the electoral process and adhering to constitutional provisions. The Supreme Court of Appeals' request for preliminary review demonstrates its determination to ensure legal clarity and avoid uncertainty as Maine's primary elections approach. The ongoing legal drama in Maine, led by Secretary of State Shenna Bellows, is adding a layer of constitutional intrigue to the election landscape. The decision to invoke Section 3 of the 14th Amendment and require review prior to the Supreme Court's decision in Colorado reflects the complex interplay between state authorities, constitutional interpretation, and the election process. As the legal battle unfolds in the coming weeks, the impact of this case will extend beyond Maine's borders and shape the broader debate about the intersection of constitutional principles and political participation. Thanks for watching till the end. Your thoughts are welcome in the comment section. Thank you.